me for today's art lesson. But before we get started, I wanted to ask you to do me a favor. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel so I can keep making amazing content for all my viewers. On that note, how would you like to draw Nita? I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started. All right, to get started, we're going to find the middle of our paper and we're going to make a sideways oval. Inside this oval, up towards the top, we're going to make another oval. Now we're going to come down here over on this side of our oval and we're going to do a curved line coming out and down. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Starting from this point right here, we're going to make a big circle going all the way around. So we'll start here, we're going to bring it around, and we'll stop by reconnecting with our line on the other side. Now we're going to come up here over on the upper side of this circle. We're going to draw a little half circle right over here. That's going to be one of the ears. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side right over here. Now we're going to come on down, and just a little ways down on this line, we're going to draw a straight line coming across. Then coming to our bottom points, we're just going to draw a little curved line going down and up from one side over to the other. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw a little diagonal on this side. And then we're just going to make a half circle going from one side of that diagonal to the other. And a small diagonal on the other side. And another half circle on that diagonal. Now we're going to come down here to do Nita's mouth. We're going to do a diagonal going up. And once again, we're going to add a half circle, but it's a little bigger, from one side of the diagonal to the other. And then we're going to draw a little line with another diagonal going up. Now up here, we're going to make some long skinny rectangles. So we'll start with a diagonal. We're going to add some short lines across the top and bottom, and then we will reconnect with a diagonal on the other side. Now we're going to make an X with these diagonals, so we're going to draw a long diagonal across with a little line at the top, another long diagonal coming down, and we connect those two lines at the bottom. Same thing on the other side. We're going to make a nice long diagonal with a little line coming out of the top of it. Make another long diagonal coming down parallel, and we close it off with a line at the bottom. To make our X, we make a diagonal the other way, right across the middle. I did a little line on the bottom, a nice long diagonal coming up, and we reconnect. Now down here on the bottom, we're going to draw a half circle right in the middle bottom. Right next to it, we're going to draw a nice deep U. Same thing on the other side. A deep U going down and over. Almost at the bottom of that U, we're going to draw a diagonal going out and up. Same thing on the other side, a diagonal going up. From that diagonal, we're going to add a little circle that goes around and connects up here. Same thing on the other side. From that diagonal, make a circle that loops around and up to connect. And in the middle right here by our half circle, we're going to draw an oval coming around and down. Now right down here at the bottom of our U's, we're just going to add a little line on each side coming down. Now we're going to go ahead and draw a straight line going across from one line to the other. Now on each side of that line, we're going to draw a diagonal coming out and down. From those two lines, we're going to draw two diagonals coming in to make a V. And just inside of those diagonals, we're going to do a follow along diagonal to make another V. On the outside of that V, we're going to draw two diagonals, once again coming out, one on each side. Not quite to the point in the middle of the V, we're going to draw another diagonal down and out, And same thing on the other side. We're going to come back up to this line. We're going to draw a little rounded line. Same thing on the other side, a curved little line coming out. Now we're just going to use a straight line to connect from our curved line to the bottom diagonal. We're almost there, just a couple finishing touches. We're going to come up and right in the middle, we're going to draw a line coming down with two little lines coming across. Then over here on the ear, we're going to draw a small line coming up. And same thing on the other side, a little line coming up. And that's it. We are done drawing Nita. All that's left is to color. Are you ready to see my final drawing? There it is. I think Nita turned out pretty awesome. I bet yours turned out pretty great too. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to come back for more and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.